In front of me is VIVO iQOO Z10 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to tap on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features you wish to manage, like Calendar. Then tap on any app and click on one of those options to apply a perfect one for you. In my case, allow or don't allow. So when I choose allowed option and go back, I can see that photos just gained access to this device's calendar. But you can always select any feature just to access one of your apps you wish to manage, like camera to access my messages. And instead of picking any of those options, click on See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!